What's up guys, Bagsy here today, and today we're gonna do whacking, but more specifically, bolos. I'm talking about whacking rolls, over the heads, up and down, butterflies, nunchucks, ninja moves, all those things associated with bolos. We're gonna really work hard on it today. As you know, whacking is inspired by movies, by actors, by theater, by drama. And this particular set of moves is inspired by martial art. I bet you didn't know that, did you? Have you ever seen Bruce Lee? Everybody loves Bruce Lee movies. Guess what? So did the whackers. And when these whackers were putting this dance together, they watched so many movies and they incorporated what they see into the dance and put it to disco music. That's the essence of it. Bring what you like from real life, put it in your dance, put it to disco, et voila, you have whacking. All right, so without further ado, let's get it on.